going to be showing you some of my new fidgets. But before I move on to the first one, you need to like and subscribe. So first things first is this homemade paper squishy. It's actually slow rising to be homemade. Oh, I dropped it. But yeah. And let me turn on the light so that I can get some more lighting in here. So as you can see, this is not my usual background. It is Mary Bella's house that I am filming in. So yeah. And so then I have two homemade tingles, but they're both the same thing. So I'm just going to show you one. So here's the homemade tingle. It's got lots of like beads and texture. So yeah. If y'all see any sudden movements back there, it's just Mary Bella. And, oh, I have quite a lot of homemade snappers and quite a lot homemade stress balls. But here's one of my homemade snappers. I'm soon gonna do a tutorial on making these. But until I do, it's gotta be this video. And then, I only have one new homemade stress ball, and it's this one. It kind of stretches. Here. And then, let me see. Oh, this is new. It's a homemade simple dimple. It's really cool. And then I have this new heart slinky. It stretches really far. My arm span can't even stretch how far this can stretch. And then, let's see. And that is basically all. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out. I'm going to peace out with this because you can see through it kind of.